Welcome to My Notes Oracle DBA YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about default roles in PostgreSQL. What is a default roles? Here PostgreSQL provides a set of default roles can be used to provide access to certain administrative capabilities, which means a administrator can grant this role to users or other roles in their environment, providing those users with access to specified capabilities and information. These default roles has been renamed into predefined roles from version 14 release onwards. Why do you need to use default roles? Let us assume as a administrative or super user having a full rights inside the DB. In case as a normal user wants to see current running queries inside the DB, it is not possible because those views are only visible to the super user. So it will create an unnecessary dependency for a super user. To avoid that, from version 10 onwards, they have added some default roles. So in this example, once this default role has been granted to a user or role, they can read all the pgstat views. Here the list of default roles. The first one is pg underscore signal backend. It is a particular role allows user to send a signal another backend to cancel a query or terminate a session, which is added from version 9.6 onwards. pg underscore read underscore all settings, which allows user to read all the configuration variable, even those normally visible only to a super user. The next one is pg underscore read all underscore stats, which allows user to read pg underscore stat views, use various statistics related extension, even those normally visible to a super user. The next one is pg underscore stat scan tables, which allows user to execute the monitoring function that may take access a share log on tables potentially for a long time. Then last one is pg underscore monitor read or execute various monitoring views and functions. This is a member of pg underscore read all settings, pg underscore read all stats, and pg underscore stat scan table. Those four has been added from version 10 onwards. The next one is pg underscore read server files, which allowing reading files from any location the database can access on this server with copy and another file access function. The next one is pg underscore write server files, which allowing writing files in any location the database can access on the server with copy and another file function. Those two has been added from version 11 onwards. The last and final one is pg underscore execute server program, which allows user to execute the program on the database server. As the user, the database runs with the copy and another functions, which allows executing a server side program. From that 13, there is no changes from the default roles. How to assign these default roles? As an administrator can grant access this role to a user using the grant command. Example, grant pg underscore monitor to a username.